Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making yummy chicken kebabs. Here I have washed boneless chicken with the skin on it. I've already cut them up into cubes. And then I'm going to add that in a bowl. First I'm putting in some sea salt. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, and of course my Gino stock cube. And I'm going to mix it all in. Now it's time to put the chicken cubes and the vegetables on the skewer. Look at how colorful and beautiful everything is. Leave to marinate, then grill for 25 minutes. Look at how yummy and colorful it looks, and trust me, it tasted even better. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to Chef Chi TV. Let me know in the comments what you want to see me cook next.